title. Alright, this intro's done. Alright, got all 6 of those screws in. Now I'm going to put that metal cover back on. Alright, cover's back on. As you can see, screws are in place. Now what I'm going to do is take some caulk. Oh shit. Just go around that lip right there. Just put caulk all the way around it. Alright, got it all caulked up, so I'm just going to let it dry and then put some tape over it, call it good. Now, to put this in. Yo, got some merch out now. Check it out if you guys want. Links in description.